So we're about to meet our next client, Tamara. She reached out to us through Instagram when she realized we were in the same area of Colorado as her. And we're gonna help diagnose her issue. Her heater has no power and it's no longer working since she got her van back from getting it serviced. So this is her house battery to her van build. Her car battery to her van is underneath her driver's seat.
All the wires go right here through the firewall.
Yep.
So we're gonna go right inside.
So the red light
Red
will
light
go.
will turn on when the fuse is popped.
Yep. All right, we're gonna write it down so we remember.
That's right. That's right. Okay, unhook it.
Still got power?
Yep. Now it's off.
Okay, so that's that same panel.
Okay.
So pretty much all your 12-volt outlets run off of that number 3, passenger and driver.
Oh, come
Is it
on.
just the bolt?
Oh, bullshit.
Is it though?
If this is all what it is,
Well, I'm
gonna feel
go
like
look
an
at your
idiot.
controller. Go look at your monitor there. And tell me if it's on first of all.
okay, hang on.
Where's that rusty bolt?
It's blinking?
Come check this out.
Oh my god!
These, remember I was telling you,
Yep.
fuses 6 inches from the battery? These
Yeah.
are circuit breakers. So see this little black button on the side?
Fuck me. Yes.
Yeah, that's all it was.
Hey,
So
reset
when they were working on it, they popped the fuse, something, and that's all.
Woo! Do I need to change those rusty guys out?
I mean, they seem to be working.
Dude!
So this is a circuit breaker. It's the same thing as a fuse, but it's a resettable fuse. So when it sparks this, instead of popping a fuse, it just breaks the circuit breaker. And this is your heater right here. So this is your heater circuit right here. So this is coming from your battery,
Yep.
because this is connected to your battery.
Yep.
And then this is going to your heater. This wire here
Yep.
got disconnected or sparked or something like that, overloaded,
Freaking
and it just popped the breaker that runs.
Okay, which
you
is
just
that
press that
button.
little black
I just
button.
press.
Very cute. Yeah,
they fixed it really
All right.
More work.
Yay! Whoa!
Front hitch, baby.
This is how Shawn stays organized. So we were able to help Tamara out with one more job before we left Colorado, and that was installing a front hitch mount. Tamara plans on storing her bike in the front of her van so that she doesn't have to take up space inside the van or block her back doors. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. For any questions, leave a comment below. Find us on Instagram for inquiries, and we'll see you next time.